country of USA. USA. Ito sa gitna. Akyat ka dito ka. USA. Tapos di ko dali naman siya. Hindi magagawa ako man. Walang sash. For girls, Nanalizan from Mexico. Palakpak po doon. Pagay tayo. Kay Mexico. Dito ka dyan sa Mexico dun sa kabila. Okay, pair sa pair. Okay, third runner-up. Who's your back? For third runner-up. For boys. Boys, third runner-up. None other than contestant. Ano yung contestant number no? The country of. What? Yes, correct. So the country of Egypt 1. Egypt 1. Egypt 1 is about Egypt 1. Okay, third runner-up. So the star should be pinned by his mother. Sister of the eye. Okay, third runner-up for the girl. None other than the skate from UAE. Tingin ko sa USA. Ano ito? UAE, congratulations. Okay. So the star should be pinned by his mother. Am I right? Or her mother, rather. Okay, second runner-up. Second runner-up from boy. Who's your back? What? Louder. Yes, correct. From France. The second runner-up. Okay, so diba? Proud na tatay. For the girls, second runner-up. Girls. Louder. Yes, you are correct. Japan. Second runner-up. From here, Japan. Miss Japan. Okay, the second runner-up, the sash will be pinned by her mother. Ay, by her tita, rather. Okay, the first runner-up from the boys. So the sash will be pinned by our judge, pastor. Yes. None other than from the boys. Who's your best? First runner-up. So tawagin ko yung first runner-up kasi kayo natira siya yung Mr. United Nations. The first runner-up from the boys came from what? Louder! Yes, from China! Congratulations to Egypt! Mamaya na Egypt, mamaya na. Mamaya ka. So na kayo, grand round. Okay, for the girls! First runner-up sa girls! Who's your best? For the girls! First runner-up! None other than Italy! Congratulations, USA, for the Miss United Nations. Okay, so Italy, Madam, That's actually been by our tabulator slash judge, adjudicator. First, okay, meron na po sa first ano na. Gano'n naman. Sir, for the boy. Sa Best and Smile din po ang UAE. UAE, Best and Smile. Pakilagay na lang, madam. Tsaka sa boys, Egypt. Egypt 1 po. Yung maliit. Ito. Siya. Asan?
Nagbaliskad na, nag-mister ang isa. Miss,
Egypt 1.
nagbaliskad.
Best and
Ang
Smile.
mister kag miss nagbaliskad.
Siya yung Best and Smile. Music, please. Once again, congratulations to those hindi po nakasali sa Magic 10 natin. You deserve it also. So, as well as sa pang Magic 10, congrats. So, once again, this is JB Mercado Roaquin signing out. So, may call in Pastor Reniel Hernandez. Pastor Ray. Roy. Pastor Roy.